Welcome for math lesson. We're going to study further logarithms. Number 4, solve for x given that 5 log x to base 5 plus the logarithm of 5 to base x minus 26 equals to 0. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. I'll start by applying the law of logarithms. It says that when given the log of a to base b, this can be expressed as the reciprocal of the logarithm of b to base a, so that I may change the base at the second part of this expression. Therefore, I'll be talking about 5, the logarithm of x to base 5 plus 5. Now, instead of the log of 5 to base x, I will take the reciprocal, then I change it now to the log of x to base 5 minus 26 equals to 0. At this point now, because the log of x to base 5 is appearing twice, I'm going to let it be a different unknown. Let's say the log of x to base 5 equals to t. So that when I rewrite now the equation, I'll be having 5t plus 5, 1 out of t, minus 26 equals to 0. So I can multiply through by t so that I work without fractions. This will be 5t squared plus 5 minus 26t equals to 0. That is after multiplying every term by t. The equation is becoming quadratic in nature, and now I can solve it to get the value of t. So this will give me, okay, I can divide through by 5 so that I may solve using the completing square method. This will be t squared plus 5 over 5, which is 1, minus 26 out of 5, t equals to 0. The next step will be taking the constant to the other side, such that now 1 becomes negative at this point. With this, we can add a constant to make the left hand side a perfect square, in which case I'll add a constant c, which is given by b out of 2 squared. Therefore, I'll be taking negative 26 over 5 divided by 2, then I square everything. This will give us negative 26 over 10 squared, which will be 676 over 100. So in this equation now, I'll be having t squared minus 26 over 5t plus 676 over 100 equals to negative 1 plus 676 out of 100. We can factorize the left hand side by starting with the square root of t, which is t. Then the sign which follows is a negative. The square root of this part will be 26 out of 10 squared. This is equal to, when I combine the other side, I'll get 5.76. 5.76. Now I can take square root for both sides, such that I have t minus 26 over 10 equals to, the square root of the other side is a 2.4 plus or minus. So for me to get t now, I'll need to take, the first t will be 2.4, then plus 2.6. 26 over 10 is a 2.6. So this gives us 5, or t equals to negative 2.4 plus 2.6, and this gives us 0.2. So with this now, we can find the exact value of x by going back to our equation. There is a time we let the log of x to base 5 be t. So I'll be saying now the log of x to base 5 equals to, the value of t has already been calculated as 5. So this implies that we can change the logarithm expression into index notation such that 5 raised to power 5 is equivalent to x. This means the value of x is 25. 5 raised to 5, sorry, not 25. That is 3125. Or can still get another value of x. The log of x to base 5 equals to 0.2. So we can talk of 5 raised to 0.2 equals to x. The value of x becomes 1.3797. So this is the value of x. This is so another value of x. Generally, I'm converting logarithm equations into index form by generally applying the relationship which says if the log of a to base b equals to c, then we can change this to index form by saying the value of b raised to c should give us a. So this is the relationship I've used at this point and at this particular point for me to get the values of x. Thank you so much for following. Subscribe and share.